Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Tuscan Chicken. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. After we decided to do this recipe, I pointed out to the wife that a nice bottle of chilled Chardonnay would go down well with it, so I asked her to pick one up. But she forgot. Remembered her chocolate, but forgot my wine. One job she had, one job. Okay, the first thing we do to cook this recipe is heat the olive oil in a heavy base saucepan or frying pan. Add the chicken pieces skin side down and cook on a low to medium heat until the skin is all crispy and golden brown. Then simply turn over and repeat on the other side. When this is done, remove from the pan and reserve. Then with the chicken removed, add the onions to the pan and fry off for a minute or two. Then it's time to add the garlic and again cook off for a minute or two. When the onions and garlic are softened a little, it's time to add in the tomatoes and salt and pepper to taste. Then continue to cook until the tomatoes start to break down. When this is happening, it's time to add in the spinach and mix through well. Continue to stir the spinach through the mixture until it's nice and wilted. Then it's time to add in the double cream. Those of you who are on a diet, look away now. After the cream, it's time to add in the parmesan cheese and mix through. And when this is done, give it a last good stir, and it's time to add the chicken back to the pot, skin side up. Then allow to simmer on low to medium heat until the chicken is thoroughly cooked through, and then you're ready to serve. If this dish is anything to go by, I really should go to Tuscany one day. I mean, chicken, cream, garlic, parmesan, what's there not to like? And you know what would go down with this recipe really well? An ice cold glass of Chardonnay. One job she had, one job. Regardless of the lack of wine, we do hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.